How to auto scroll on TikTok on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings. Here we go. Scroll down. Open this option of accessibility. Now over here you can find different options. Open this option of voice control. Make sure you have toggle on for this option voice control. Now select this option of customize commands. Open it. Now tap on this option of create new command. Now here you have to enter a speakable phrase that is unique from all other commands. I'm gonna type in next. Now tap on this option of action. Tap on the option of run custom gesture. Now here you have to tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. Just create gesture down to up in this way. And you are done. You can just tap on this option of save. Now you can go back, tap on save. Now close this app and open your TikTok application. Now just spell the phrase that you have set. I have set next, so I'm gonna say that. Next. Next. And here you can see that whenever I say next, it just auto scrolls. This is how you auto scroll on TikTok on iPhone. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.